Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our AGL employee account. So let's get started. So if you want to log into your AGL employee account, what you can do is just open up a browser, and after opening up a browser in search bar you have to search for AGL employee login. And after searching for that option, now you have to scroll down and you have to tap on customer login option. And after tapping on that option, now if you scroll down here, you can find AGL employee login. You just have to tap on that fifth option, and here you can enter your username, your company and password. After entering your username, company and password, now what you can do is just tap on login and you will successfully log into your account. But while you try to log into your account, if it shows you an error like you have entered a wrong password or if you have forgotten your password, what you can do is just tap on forgot password option and just change your password. And after changing your password, come back to this login page and just enter the new password that you have just created and type on login. And after tapping on login, you will successfully log into your account. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your AGL employee account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.